Hello future dentists, welcome back to Exam Key Point Dentistry. Today we are going to learn a very important topic in pediatric dentistry, the diet pyramid. So before we start, let me ask you a question. Why do some children get dental caries again and again even after the treatment? Yes, one of the biggest reason is poor dietary habit. So in this video we will understand the diet pyramid, its layer, dental importance and how it helps in preventing the dental caries. So let's see. So what is a diet pyramid? So diet pyramid, also called the food pyramid, it is a visual tool which is used in pediatric dentistry to educate children and parents about a balanced diet that promotes good oral and general health. Okay. So why is it important? Because it helps in preventing the dental caries, it helps in promoting the growth and the development, and it helps in reducing the sugar intake and acidic food consumption. Okay. So this is known as food pyramid. Now we see the structure of the diet pyramid. So here it is from base to the top. So here the pyramid is divided into the 4 layers from the bottom to the top. Okay. So layer 1 is the base. That is the bottom layer, which is the eat most protecting food. So this layer is containing the whole grains, brown rice, chapati and oats. So these food are rich in fiber, complex carbohydrate, vitamins and minerals. So they help in stimulate the salivary flow, which help in cleaning the mouth. Okay. Now we see the dental relevance. So here the fibrous food help in mechanical cleaning of the teeth and stimulate the saliva, which is a natural cleanser. Okay. So now question for you. Which natural substance in the mouth protecting the teeth from the caries? The answer is saliva. Saliva wash away the food particles and neutralizing the acid. Okay. Now we see the second layer, that is the eat planting bodybuilding food. So this second layer contain the fruits and the vegetables. So they provide vitamins like A and C and minerals like calcium and iron. So why are they important? Because these nutrition are essential for the healthy gingiva, oral mucosa and bone formation. Okay. Now we see dental relevance. So here the vitamin C is useful for healthy gingiva, while calcium for the tooth development. So fruits and vegetables are very important. So which vitamin is important for healthy gingiva? The answer is vitamin C. Okay. Now the third layer, that is a eat moderate, that is energy food. Okay. So this layer contain milk, curd, cheese, meat, apples. Okay. So they are high in proteins, calcium and phosphorus. Okay. Now we see dental relevance. So these nutrition are crucial for the enamel formation plus dentine formation. So here one special point for the exam is here the milk contain casein, which is an anti-cariogenic protein. Okay. So remember this, casein form a protective layer on the teeth which is help in reducing the caries risk. So which protein in milk is anti-cariogenic? The answer is casein. Now we see the top, that is the tip of the pyramid, which is eat least cariogenic food. Okay, so this is the smallest part of the pyramid. So here the food including like a sugary snacks, chocolate, sweets, soft drinks and sticky food. So they are high in refined sugar and fermentation carbohydrates. Okay, so they contain high amount of refined sugar and fermented carbohydrates. Now we see dental relevance. So these are the acid producing and cause the dental caries. So it should be minimized, especially between the meals. Okay. So now imagine a child who is eating chocolate 5 to 6 times a day, and every time sugar is consumed, oral bacteria produce acid. So here the repeated acid attack cause enamel demineralization and eventually dental caries. Okay. Now important question for you. Which food are most cariogenic? The answer is sticky sugary food, because they remain attached to the teeth for a longer time. Now we see the role of the diet pyramid in pediatric dentistry. So first one is diet counseling. So we educate parents and children about the caries prevented diet. Second one is caries risk reduction. So here the limited sugary and sticky food reducing the caries risk. Third one is nutritional support. So it is helpful for children with an early childhood caries and the development delay. Fourth one is establishing the healthy habits. So encourage the lifelong oral and the general health. Okay. So BDS students, remember that base contain grains and whole grains and cereals, while fruits and vegetables provide the vitamins and minerals. Milk contain the casein, which is an anti-cariogenic. Sugary sticky food should be consumed the least. Diet pyramid is an important tool for caries prevention in children. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in the next pediatric dentistry lecture. Thank you.